ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, एक अच्छी बात, एक दूसरी बहुत दुखद बात। बांग्लादेश की स्पीकर विथ हर डेलीगेशन इज विथ हर, नो डाउट। स्वागत तो करते हैं आपका, लेकिन एक बहुत ही दुखद घटना आज सुबह हुई है। ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, I have to inform the House of the sad demise of Sri P.A. Sangma, former Speaker Lok Sabha. Sri P.A. Sangma was elected as the Speaker of Lok Sabha during the 11th Lok Sabha. As Speaker of the Lok Sabha, he conducted the proceedings of the House with great ability and distinction. His parliamentary skill and comprehensive knowledge of parliamentary practices and procedures earned him respect from all the sections of the House. An able parliamentarian, Sri P.A. Sangma was a member of the Lok Sabha for 9 terms. He was a sitting member of the Lok Sabha. He served as a member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from 1988 to 1991 and from 2008 to 2012. He also served as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya from 1988 to 1990. An able administrator, Sri Sangma served as the Union Minister in the Union Council of Ministers, holding several important portfolios. During his long and distinguished parliamentary career, Sri Sangma represented the Indian Parliament at various international fora. He also led the Indian parliamentary delegations to many countries. A man of masses, Sri Sangma strove relentlessly for the amelioration of the marginalized sections of the society, particularly the tribals. A distinguished public figure, Sri Sangma has, to his credit, 3 books: India in ILO, Into the Third Millennium, A Speaker's Perspectives, and A Life in Politics. Sri P.A. Sangma passed away today at New Delhi at the age of 68. We deeply mourn the loss of Sri P.A. Sangma, and I am sure the House will join me in conveying our condolences to the bereaved family. एक और बात मैं अपनी तरफ से कहूं, हंसते उठते सदन कैसे चलाना, यह मैंने एक प्रकार से माननीय संगमा जी से सीखा। ऐसा कहो तो गलत नहीं होगा। The House may now stand in silence for a short while as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed.
कल मैं अरुण जेटली जी का भाषण सुन रहा था और हम यहां बैठे हुए थे और बीच में मैं ऐसे हिला। परसों गलती कर दी, सही बात है। परसों मैं भाषण सुन रहा था और मैं ऐसे हिला। उन्होंने एक नई योजना अनाउंस की, फेयर एंड लवली योजना। इस योजना में हिंदुस्तान का कोई भी चोर अपने काले धन को सफेद कर सकता है।